We're extremely close to our customer right from seeing them at the grocery store. We take pride in our community involvement all the way through. Each community has really embraced us. Filling that void where there's a lack of small banks has really gone a long way. We really haven't advertised much at all. It's all been word of mouth. So being able to grow from 13 million to about 700 million in assets in 5 years has just been tremendous.
The people that we have on our executive management team, our senior management team, the folks in the branches, everyone from the top down are just all aligned with the same feeling of serving that community. And when you walk into one of our branches, you're not gonna see a faceless, nameless person. You're gonna see the person you see there every day. They're gonna call you by name. You call our phone number, you're not gonna get voicemail. We have our cell phones numbers. Our customers know our cell phones. They can call us anytime, 24/7.
The original location was in Barwick, Georgia. We still have that location open. That's been open since 1907. From Barwick, we expanded to St. Augustine, Daytona Beach, Gainesville, Florida, Boston, Georgia, and Palatka, Florida. And we have 2 more markets on the horizon. Back in 2008, there were a little over 360 banks out of Florida, headquartered out of Florida, and now there's less than 70. Larger and regional banks, again, just haven't been able to fulfill all the needs of the community, and us stepping in, it's been a pretty good process for us.
And we seem to this year be growing at $10 million a month, $12 million a month in assets. It's amazing to see how busy this branch is, and to look at the numbers each morning and see how many new accounts have been opened. And it's not just coming in for interest rates, it's coming in for checking accounts, it's coming in for money market, it's coming in for loans.
The great thing about the asset size we've reached to is we can offer all the products and services that the customer needs. If they need a 30-year fixed mortgage on their house, we've got it. Home equity line, they need a small business loan. And we've got a great underwriting department here. We've got more than 75 years of experience, so we've got a great team. You know, we're up to 10 lenders now, and they all know what they're doing, very experienced, so it makes my job easier.
We've made investment in technology through the Imperium asset liability software and through this ClearVis software that we have information at our fingertips, and that's key in managing the bank, the growth, the profitability, the risk, the interest rate risk. We look at our long-term goals and look at our peer groups. We want to become a $1 billion bank, then we want to become a $2 billion bank. And so we look at what is it going to cost us in terms of overall operating expenses. What should we set as a target? And so we look at the peers that have gone from 1 billion to 2 billion, and they might be 52% efficiency ratio. So as we're running our projections, we're saying, all right, let's run these to a 52, maybe 53%, give us a little bit of cushion and see what that does profitability-wise. And so, again, using the software and the tools we have, we run these models and able to see where we're going to be.
These people's businesses are important to them. They're probably with their family and their home, that's probably the most important thing in their life. So, it might be on a Saturday where they're worried about something and they can call us. They know we're there and they can always come in and see us. And so that's what sets us apart from the bigger banks. And it really, the thing with us growing, we want to keep that. We can't change that culture. It's part of who we are.
The senior management of this bank cares about their employees a great deal. And when you have that type of appreciation for your folks, they bring it to work and they show it to the customer. And one of my favorite quotes about this bank is when somebody walks in and they say, "This place is different." I mean, I love to hear that it's different, because they're greeted differently and there's a different feel. It's not a sterile environment.
Our tagline of for locals, by locals, we really take that to heart. And so we support small businesses just the same as they support us.